Want to turn your long-form videos into viral shorts with literally just one click? Today I'm going to show you how to use OpusClip to turn one long video into 10 viral-ready clips, making your content creation process up to 10 times faster. If you're tired of spending hours editing, cutting, and reframing your videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, OpusClip is designed to put that entire process on autopilot. All you have to do is drop a video link from platforms like YouTube, Zoom, Rumble, Twitch, or Google Drive, or simply upload your file directly to their website at opus.pro. What makes this tool stand out are its advanced AI models. First, there's Clip Anything. While many AI clippers only work well with standard podcast setups, Clip Anything is built to handle almost any genre, including vlogs, gaming, sports, interviews, and explainer videos. Second, you have Reframe Anything. This feature automatically resizes your video for vertical formats and uses AI object tracking to keep the action centered. If you want more creative control, you can even use manual tracking to tell the AI exactly who or what to follow. On top of that, it comes packed with automated AI captioning, AI B-roll, audio enhancement, and voiceovers, and it supports over 25 languages, including English, Spanish, German, French, and Portuguese. Now, regarding user reviews, we don't have a configured database of external user feedback to share today. However, the platform is already trusted by over 16 million creators and businesses, including major names like Logan Paul and Mark Rober. From what we can see, the major pro of OpusClip is its sheer speed and versatility across different video genres. On the flip side, because it is an automated AI-driven tool, you may occasionally need to step in and manually adjust the framing or captions to match your exact brand style, though the built-in editor makes this very easy to do. Overall, if you want to scale your content output without spending hours in an editing suite, OpusClip is absolutely worth checking out. You can get started for free by heading over to opus.pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use these viral clips.